Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, your word of the day is action. It's time to spring into action. Put some bite behind that bark. Walk behind that talk. Faith without works are dead. I know you have the faith. Therefore, you come to the place that you are. You're evolving. You're excelling. You're blasting off into the next realm of your life. But we need you to put some work in. Because if you don't do your end of the job, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ have done their part. They're putting you in position. Now you do your part to your maximum capacity. Then you put the ball back in the universe's hands. Therefore, they are in control, and it's up to them to catch up to your efforts and do their part. But right now, it's your turn. My divine action incites love and harmony. I'm aware of all the thoughts that's driven by positive forces. I listen to my heart, my desire to manifest light, transform tests into growth, challenge into opportunity, fear into love. Fear fears you. Once you look it in the eye, guarantee it turns the other way and it shall run, cower, and then you're on your way to blessings. Challenge to opportunity. You're going through a lot of tests, a lot of obstacles, so you become stronger. Therefore, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ can bless you with more blessings. Blessings come with their own weight. We want you to be able to maintain it. Rain, sleet, or snow, it'll feel like living. It'll feel like paradise instead of a ball and chain where you're just trying to maintain and sustain and survive. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.